Hello. Let us learn about PowerPoint. So before that, let me show you what is PowerPoint. One PowerPoint presentation is there. Now you see PowerPoint. It is a presentation package. It is a family member of Microsoft Office. It is a product of Microsoft International Corporation. These three things you must be getting. Now for PowerPoint presentation we need following major steps. Generally major steps means first you prepare your slides, okay, then depending on structure situation you have to create the presentation. For that data and picture may be needed. You have to put those data and images in the slides in a proper manner. Next is designing your slides. Your slides will be presented to some professionals, so you have to put attractive design for the slides. Next is transition. After doing the design you have to put proper transition for slides. Transition means one after another slide will be flow, so you have to design for that. Next is animation. After doing the transition you have to put proper animation for the objects available in the slides. I'll explain you after this how to do the animation. Now after animation you have to do the presentation. After proper animation setting you have to go for a presentation. If presentation is not okay, then you can go for redesigning. Creating show files. So creating files means after the presentation is completed perfectly, you can create a show file for your presentation. This show file can be distributed elsewhere. Okay. This much. Let us do one by one. Now first we'll go for preparing your slides. Let us create a slide. PowerPoint started. To do a project, think about particular situation. Let us create a slide relating to HLC courses. Okay, so let me write here. Live center. So one slide is created. Let me correct it. Himalayan Center, Bhubaneswar. So to create a new slide, you go to this one and create a new slide. Here you write So in this I have created about only 3 slides. Okay. Now according to steps, just see, I have prepared my slides. Okay. Now designing your slides. How to do designing your slides means, so go to design menu. Either you can choose this one or go for the background styles also. Okay. I am going for this. I am selecting this one. Designing. Just see, one after another it is done. See, if needed you can increase the font size depending on requirement. Now I'll go for transition. Transition means slides will be shown to you one after another. That effect will be applied to that transition. Okay, let us see transition. Now see, different transitions are available. Just see, I am applying this one. Then click on apply to all. If you are clicking on apply to all, then same transition will be applied to all the slides. Otherwise, you can select each slide and you can apply your transition. In this case, I am clicking apply to all. Okay. Now, according to study, go to next stage, animation. So go to each slide, select each object and add animation. Click on animation and select each animation. Let's see, wheel animation. Here I am attaching. In this case, I am attaching fly-in. I am going to this one, course. I am attaching swivel like this. Then plot in this one, zoom for this. I am attaching color pulse. Okay, so animation is attached. Now I'll go for the presentation. Let us see presentation. To do the presentation, go to slide, then click on from beginning. Now see first screen, Human Life Center, Bhubaneswar. Our courses, Human Life Center. Our courses. Now postgraduate diploma in computer application, certificate in computer application, programming science, C++. Okay. Now basic presentation is completed. Now I am to create a show file. For that, click on file menu, click on save as, choose PowerPoint show. Okay, select your location, then click on save and close everything. Now go to your file, show file, just double click it. If you start the show. Okay, so this is all about PowerPoint.